Hello friends, welcome to the session on artificial intelligence. In this session, we'll be discussing about the comparison between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. As we know that artificial intelligence is an intelligence that is being imparted to the machine by using data or by using algorithms. Nowadays, we have seen that there are many AI tools available with the help of which we can create PPT, with the help of which we can create diagrams, we can create text, we can ask questions to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will answer the questions. Google Gemini will answer the question based on the data. So, tools are there everywhere. Tools are in your mobile phone, tools are in your computer, in your laptop. And why we need to make the use of these tools every now and then. So, why not to have a better understanding of artificial intelligence? So, understanding of the artificial intelligence is possible when we compare the human intelligence with the artificial intelligence. As shown in this diagram, the AI will have the learning ability where it can learn from the data. Where humans have creativity, AI has a limited creativity. Humans can learn from the experiences, and therefore, you will find that artificial intelligence will not have any experience or will not have any emotion, but humans do have the experience, do have emotions based on which they can learn lot many new things. So let us have a comparison between AI and human intelligence. Friends, as you know that you are viewing this session on my YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to the channel in order to have a better understanding of the subject on AI. So as I said, AI also learns, but it learns from the data. And this learning is being called as a machine learning. AI learns from the data, it can learn from the pattern, and it can learn from the algorithms. So whenever we want to create an AI, then we need to make the use of the data, pattern, and algorithms. But for humans, it is not like that. Humans can learn from experiences. So since childhood, you will find that the human goes on learning. Humans can learn from emotions. Humans have emotions. Computer, machine do not have any emotion. Humans have reasoning. AI also has reasoning to some extent, but that is given by the algorithm. AI, as I said, has a limited creativity. It will generate the content based on the data that is being given to the machine. Humans are highly creative. You will find that human can think abstractly, and they can innovate the things, while a complete new innovation may not be possible or may not be compared to that of humans when we think of the AI. Humans, you will find that make the decisions, and most of the decisions are emotion driven. Most of the decisions taken by the humans are ethical because humans know what ethics is. They have been taught ethics since from their childhood. Humans also consider moral values, but AI will not consider these things. AI do not have emotions. Of course, AI can show that it has emotions, but it actually do not have any emotion. Decision making in AI is very fast. It is data driven and it is logical. Sometimes you will find that making a decision for humans is difficult and it will take certain amount of time. But AI can generate a decision very fast. Human experiences the real emotions such as love, fear, empathy. But AI do not have such emotions. But of course, it can show you that it has certain emotions, but that is not true. You will find that as far as the AI is concerned, AI can adapt based on the pre-trained models and whatever the updates that are being provided to the AI. Humans can adapt to a new situations. Whatever the situation is there, you will find that human will find the way to survive in that situation. Humans can learn independently, while the machine cannot learn independently unless and until we program it or unless and until we train it. AI, of course, is very fast compared to that of human. If you want to train AI to learn a new language, then you will find that within certain hours it will be possible that AI can learn a new language. For humans, it is not possible because AI can process the vast amount of data very quickly and therefore they can learn very fast. Human speed of learning is definitely very slow, but there are certain advantages of deep thinking and intuition with humans, while AI do not have such features available with them. As far as the physical abilities are concerned, one can easily say that the human can perform more physical tasks very effortlessly. There is a lot of flexibility in the human body, but AI do not have that much flexibility. Of course, AI can control robots, and robots are being shown like humans, but there is not that much flexibility which humans have. Their motion is not comparable with the humans. There is no self awareness or consciousness for the artificial intelligence, but you will find that the humans are definitely self aware and they can understand their existence, while AI at present do not understand its existence. As far as the social interaction is being concerned, one can say that AI can simulate the conversations. We have been aware of the AI chatbots where they can chat just like the humans, but they actually lack the real emotions. Human engages in meaningful relationship and there is a kind of social bonding between the human beings, while there is no any kind of such social bonding in the AI machines. As far as the error handling is concerned, as I said, whatever AI does, it depends upon the data quality and it depends upon what kind of algorithms are written. But humans can recognize and learn from the mistake intelligently than that of AI. So you will find that learning of the humans is still much better than that of the artificial intelligence. Of course, there are certain advantages with AI. AI can excel in speed. It can process the huge amount of data in a very short span of time. It can do automation, which otherwise is very difficult for the humans. Say, for example, we have been given, say, hundreds of books and we want to convert them into audio and video books. You will find that for humans it is very difficult to do this job because it will take a lot of time. But AI can do it very easily to some extent. Humans are excellent in creativity. Humans have emotions, they have adaptability, they know ethics, but AI can assist humans. So whenever we think of AI, AI is already developed, it is already available. Now we cannot ignore it. So we have to think AI as a tool, and at present it cannot replace human intelligence completely. And therefore we can think of AI as a tool where we can make the use of AI in order to improve our own performance. So why AI is being required? AI is being created by the humans only, and they require AI because there is a lot of amount of data. You will find that as the internet goes on, after the internet use of the internet, a lot of amount of data is being created by the people, and there is a lot of complexity in the today's world. So such complexity, such large amount of data can be processed with AI very efficiently, and therefore we have an advantage of using AI. As I said, there is a large number of work which otherwise for humans is very difficult, but AI can do it. Humans cannot process such large amount of data. They cannot make the decisions quickly enough on the massive data. But AI can definitely make the use of this data and can process the data and can make the decisions. And therefore, it is really useful for the humans. So finally, we can say that as far as the AI is concerned, we have efficiency in the repetitive task. We have the specific task performance better than humans. We have data processing precisions with AI. As far as humans are concerned, humans have social navigation skills. They can create the problem solving. Emotional understanding is much better with the humans. So one can easily find that there are certain advantages with AI, there are certain advantages with humans. But humans can always make the use of AI. So whatever the field you are working, whether you are a teacher or a student, or whether you are working in industry, or whether you are owning a shop, so whatever the job that you are doing, you will find that you will be needed to make the use of AI. So if you make it understandably, then you can probably make the best use of AI in your job. Thank you, friends, for viewing the session. Hopefully, you have understood what is the difference between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. Thank you all.